Hello all. Welcome again to another session on Indianvaidyas.com. And today it's a very important session because we are very much focused on this domain that is medical cannabis and hemp. And many times we have tried to associate and collaborate with companies who have ethical mindset and strength. In that context, we are today with Mr. Vishesh Kilewala, and he is the founder of Svadhishthan, a company having a state of the art manufacturing plant and manufacturing setup in the heart of our country, that is Madhya Pradesh, Neemach. And Neemach is also one of the you can say destination for all the herbs and raw materials as well. So they have ease access on getting good quality raw material, and they already are into manufacturing. They have their own brand as well. So if you are a doctor, if you are a distributor, dealer, trader, or maybe if you are a upcoming brand or company or established company also, in many ways you can associate and connect with Vishesh and his team, Swadhishthan, in which you can explore synergies. They work on various models, which maybe Vishesh will like discuss today. So I will not take much time. I will welcome again Vishesh on our platform, and we request you to please run through your presentation. Tell us about your company, what kind of products and medicines you have, how you can collaborate or associate with all the stakeholders, doctors, and everybody who are there on our platform. As this session is live on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and many other platforms. So we would like to understand how to associate and how you are different also. Please tell us that as well, that as there are so many cannabis and hemp companies these days, so how you are different and how you are ensuring the quality should be intact. So on that note, I again welcome you, and I will hand over the session to you, Mr. Vishesh. Let's have your presentation, and after that we will have any queries and questions we can discuss. All of you can mention your questions and query if you have in the comment section also. Thank you, and over to you, Vishesh. Thanks.
So, namaste everyone, and thanks Dr. Piyush for organizing this and allowing us to showcase Svadhishthan, which is our latest endeavor. And at Svadhishthan, we are providing healthcare to high quality and carefully crafted medical cannabis products. We are a fully compliant and licensed manufacturers located in Neemach, Madhya Pradesh, and our drug license is obtained from Ministry of Ayush, and our raw material is obtained from Excise Department. So we are fully compliant in that case. Next slide, please. Today we'll discuss about following topics. Let's quickly start with the introduction. My name is Vishesh Kilewala, and I'm one of the founders of Swadhishthan, and I'm also the Chief Product and Information Officer over here. So, and at Swadhishthan, our vision is to provide cannabis-based medications in Indian market and abroad, and also to research into spiritual aspect of the plant and develop a therapy-based framework using medical cannabis research data, technology, and collaborating with doctors. We offer top-tier cannabis-based medications that is perfect for patients suffering from various ailments. And while this is for patients, the doctors also receive tools and support to expand their practice in medical cannabis. Next slide, please. So these are just some of the problems that we are addressing in Swadhishthan. The first one is since medical cannabis is so new, navigating the journey can be complex and daunting for both patients and doctors. Many patients are suffering from debilitating illnesses, and yet they struggle to find relief. Cannabis can be a suitable option, but the accessibility of genuine and affordable treatment options is still an issue. Cannabis being a relatively new field of treatment, doctors may lack the necessary resources to integrate medical cannabis. At Swadhishthan, we are providing them resources like good quality and consistent medicines, economical variants, patient data management platform, and etc. There are other things that we'll discuss later. Further, the stigma around cannabis in India can further complicate these challenges, leaving a gap in accessibility and effective care. For this, we periodically release educational material like Svadhishthan Patient Handbook that we showcased in the Indian Hemp Expo first and second. And then there is lack of compliance and regulations and standardization, which is also a challenge. For that, we follow industry best practices like following international SOPs, getting GMP compliant, and we are also Z certified by Ministry of MSME. Next, please. So this is our this a little snapshot of our platform and the things that we are offering. So we are offering high quality and full spectrum cannabis based medications. We are also providing an online platform where patients and doctors can come together and to facilitate the consultation and subsequent follow ups and it in a very hassle free manner. We are also strict on regulatory compliances like testing for various heavy metals, pesticides, etc., and have transparency in our operations. And for that, we use latest technologies for monitoring compliance like blockchain, etc. And in order to help Ayurvedic doctors to expand their practice into medical cannabis, we offer special pricing, custom formulations, white labeling services, and more. At Svadhishthan, we are also on a mission to solve the medical cannabis problem of accessibility, affordability, and stigma. And this can only happen by educating the public about medical cannabis so that the patients can receive compassionate, effective care and doctors can provide it. Next, please. So, these are some of the benefits that we are currently offering. So, we are providing a high quality guarantee for patients and doctors. There we are providing special offers, periodic special offers and swags, and up to 30% off for returning users on our platform. Uh, every patient that joins our platform will get a complimentary consultation. We are also providing custom formulation services for doctors. There's also a personal branding packages for doctors. So either big or small ticket orders we can easily do because we have that agile mentality in our company. And we are providing white labeling services also. And there are other partner programs like special bulk pricing and follow-up fees reimbursement if there are any follow-ups. So periodically we will offer these things. Next, please. This is just a brief overview of our products. So, for the medical cannabis part, we have 9 products. Amongst them are Vijaya infused tinctures, chocolate powder, and Vijaya extract in proprietary range. Serenity, which is a massage oil for general pain. Bliss, which is a performance booster roll on for sexual wellness. We also have a wide range of approved medical cannabis classification, approved medical classical cannabis preparations like Trilok Vijayavati, Kameshwar Modak, Jatifaladi Churan, and there are more. We have some other services that I would like to highlight again. So we have loan license based manufacturing for medical cannabis products. We can do contract manufacturing. We can do custom Ayurvedic formulation and development. We can do bulk supply of Ayurvedic herbs, both organic, certified organic, and conventional. We have the ability to make powders out of different herbs. We can put them in capsules. So we have ashwagandha powder capsules also. These are just some of our retail products. So ashwagandha powder capsules and some superfoods like chia, hemp seed products, hemp seed oil, hemp seed protein powder. Next. So this just to recap and just a humble comparison to showcase our strength. So we are providing a prescription-based medical cannabis products and intend to provide a therapy-based framework on follow-up consultation and doctor's expertise. We operate in a GMP and Z compliant facility, and our proprietary process allows us to make a very large batch of around 1500 kg, enabling us to focus better on quality control and other testings for safety and efficacy, etc. We ensure quality strictly as per Ayush guidelines. So we test for heavy metals, pesticides, aflatoxins, and stability test, etc. We utilize cryoethanol extraction, and we also do other post processing techniques to further improve our product. We are providing a technology based solution with a dashboard for patients to track their medications and effects. Also, they can maintain a journal over there, and for doctors to manage their meetings, inventory, and patient data. There are also transparent benefits that we have already discussed, and we provide special packages, special prices, and full sphere of support and benefits for patients and doctors alike. So, in the end, next please. So, in the end, I would just like to request you to join the revolution in healthcare. If you're a patient, we have some exciting things for you, and if you're a doctor, you have our full support, and we have some exciting pricings for you as well. So, yeah, and next slide, please. So, this is my contact information, and if anyone wants to get in touch, we'll be obliged to answer any of your queries. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Vishesh. I think very well explained, and it's really interesting to see that you people are into very high quality standards as far as your manufacturing practices, safety, and all those aspects are concerned. So, Kruti, I want to ask a couple of questions here, as all of the companies are like pitching in the same aspects that they have quality medicines, they are having good quality raw material and all. They are testing the batches. So, how you are, as we have clearly mentioned about your differentiating factors, still how you are different from other companies or other groups, if we need to understand that. And second is, as you see that in India, still these medicines and these segment, the entire segment is a bit expensive in terms of the cost is concerned. So, what do you think, and how you think that we can address? Maybe if you have some kind of economical solutions also, so if we can like have some understanding on that aspect as well.
So firstly, to answer your first question, whenever we get raw material, so everyone in the state is getting the same raw material, but we do grading first of all. So we are coming from a herbal background, and also in ashwagandha leaves, ashwagandha roots, and other herbal products. We do grading. So just to make different levels of products. So we do that kind of grading with cannabis as well. And then we also have facility to wash the leaves and shuddhikaran, what we call in Ayurveda. We do that too. Apart from that, since we have already mentioned that we can do a 1500 kg batch at one time. So that gives us a huge amount of cannabis extract, which is homogeneous by nature. So by testing by employing testing for a particular big batch, we can be definite of its potency throughout the different products, and its effects would be consistent. So next time, so this be getting a very big batch takes a little bit of our burden from testing smaller batches on a regular basis. So this is how we ensure that each batch that we make is thoroughly tested. And as far as the affordability part is concerned, we have that kind of agility. We have our culture at the company to work is such that we can accommodate orders. If they are either big orders or if they are small orders, uh, we are we understand that the medical cannabis industry in India is very young, and that's why we are here to support. And as I've mentioned before when we were speaking, we are a not for profit, we have a not for profit way of thinking. So in that way, we can keep our margins low and we can support the doctors who want to. In the end, because it's gonna benefit all of us if the raw material quality is gonna improve, if there are better regulations and people are complying. So yeah,
Sure, I think you absolutely mentioned that. See, ultimately, end of the day, the patients needs to get benefited, and we as a doctor also kind of an acting as a medium, and companies like you, if providing genuine, good quality medicines, I think that is very much required. And we have started this initiative, by the way, just to inform all of you. The company Svadhishthan can offer you up to 60 to 70% discounts as well if you clearly understand the MRPs which are in this domain. So if you are interested, book your orders, click on the indianvaidyas.com/companies page. You can go on our homepage as well, and you can connect to our team also. You can this session is live on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and also you can update us and comment in comment section also. The point is you are getting excellent quality medicines with a very economical proposition, and that you can pass on to your patients also, so that they can get the affordable and economical treatments. And in that way, and you all know that Indian Vaidyas works on zero commission model. So we are just connecting all of you to the companies. And Swadhishthan and Vishesh were always there. They have been in our all the like editions till now, in all the two editions of India Amp Expo, and we are hopeful that they will be there in our forthcoming third edition as well in Bangalore. And last time they were the associate sponsor. So thank you so much for that support. And I think they are very ethical also, which till now I feel are very few companies in this domain. So they are looking forward to associate with all of you. They are into classicals. They are one of the highest, I think, right now portfolio, largest portfolio they have as far as classical medicines are concerned in India. And they also have all the proprietary and patent products and medicines as well. And the plant is also one of the plant having international standards as far as manufacturing is concerned. So let's support them, and let's ultimately benefit the patients. And thank you so much again, Vishesh, for this session. Very informative. Looking forward to have many more in future as well. And definitely, we want that companies like you should be here to support all of us in healing the patients. Thank you so much for giving time to our platform. Thanks.
thank you, sir. The feeling is mutual, and I hope all the complete doctors fraternity is also there to support us because
Sure. Don't worry.
that's the way to go.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.